Morning, guys. Happy Saturday at the LAL. We're going to keep going with this one because what the heck. Anyways, it's early. We've had a lot of coffee. We were up late last night racing go-karts. I think there's 350 people here, so hope you enjoy the show. If you didn't make it, you should get here next year. Look at the lineup here. So getting ready to get upstairs, listen to some great speakers, hopefully learn some stuff and network. Have a great Saturday.
Microphone check, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready for LAL 2021? Are we ready? That's a little better. I think we still got a few people sitting back there. If you guys want to come up, I think we got seats even next to the Ballards up here. You want to hang out with Corey Ballard? Come sit next to him.
Yes, I want to pray for everybody that today when we leave, that the Lord gives us that next step, whether it's a little tweak or a pivot or adjustment. Maybe it's something major. When I was in Illinois, the Lord spoke to me about starting my podcast and it changed my life. So I believe every single person here today is going to hear from heaven, whether it's through a speaker or maybe just a little impression while you're sitting there talking to someone. So
we're going to give Chris and Wendy Carnell and their beautiful family $5,000 to their Christian school. How about that?
People will be your greatest source of aggravation. People will be your greatest source. True or false? How many people married in here? Sorry.
Get on your feet. Big round of applause for Corey Ballard.
All right. And I liked how he told the story, just showing where he came from. And, I started my company with a lawnmower, a 21-inch snapper, and a moped. So I tell that story because I've been through all the growth and the changes in the one crew and the two crews, and when you hire that first person, and how do you build a team, and how do you keep people and build culture and core values, and how do you just love your people to death. And I thought this stat was interesting just because, what are the top 10 reasons people stay where they are? Simple. They want to be a part of something special. People work at places they want to feel like they're a part of something special. That's simple. When somebody's not performing, you got to just sit down and you got to be honest, open, and transparent. You've got to have those tough conversations and you've got to give them feedback. It's so unfair to you, it's unfair to them, and it's unfair to your teammates if you're not clear and if you're not telling them exactly what's going on. And lay out a plan if you need to.
Just being around the vibe in this room, and I'm so impressed. I'm so blown away by it all. I'll tell you how I'm feeling right now. 3 things. I'm feeling proud, I'm feeling humbled, and I'm feeling inspired. Let me tell you why I'm proud. Because I knew Brian Fullerton before any of you did. Right, Brian? Is he back there? Where'd he go? I knew Brian before he ever made his first YouTube video. And he was a loser. No, I'm kidding. He's a good guy. He's always been a good guy.
I can't afford to get to GIE. I can't afford to get to LAL.
Just keep telling yourself.
And you can't afford not to. What we've heard in there today, man, it's good stuff, man. It's great stuff. It's life-changing stuff. And I always tell people too, you can't leave with, I've heard 30 good things today, right? Can you go home and implement 3 of them? 2 of them? Just go home and say, what 2 or 3 things do I think can make an impact in my business Monday morning?